What's going on? It's the Green Dot Whisperer, and we're back again to talk about Tilray because, guys, Tilray is about to explode. We are seeing a wave of green dots everywhere. Everything's looking bullish. We just need this first breakout out of this resistant line right here, this resistant trend line that I drew. Now, let's see. It broke out before here, so let's say we need higher than that. Yeah. Well, it's right here. If we go over $19.15, we should see that breaking out of that resistant line, of breaking above that resistant line, better said. So what does that mean? Let me see. That means we're going to go on a bullish run because from the very top to the bottom, MJ on the monthly, after it changed, it faked out sellout, it did fall. That's when we went down to $13.39. But now we printed a beautiful green dot MJ on the monthly. That means long-term gains, people. That's what that means. Long-term gains. And let's check this out real quick for kicks and giggles, because some people might have forgotten what this price already touched. This stock already touched this price at $300 a share. Now, there's been a lot of rumors about this stock getting short squeezed by the Wall Street Bets Reddit group. And if that happens, I could see something crazy that shoot up and maybe even meet our all-time high if it gets short squeezed. So that's a probability, but I'm not trading on, oh, I hope my stock gets short squeezed. I'm trading on my green dots, this green dot MJ on the monthly, this MJ green dot on the weekly. EMAs are looking amazing also. EMAs are bunching up, trying to break through the candle. Let me see, show you a better one. 4-day green dot and on big time frames at that too. Another beautiful MJ on the 2-day. So where's the EMAs? These are the EMAs that I wanted to show you. Still not as perfect as we want it, as we teach in Chart Champions. To join that group for free, the link is in the description below. But we teach an EMA strategy there that we have to wait for all these EMAs to bunch up and then break through the candle, and that equals a major move. It was right here. This was the last EMA bunch up. Then it crossed up and it started this major move. You see that? So hopefully what will happen now is another major move. It might take a while, guys. Like I said, month chart is a long-term MJ. Weekly still takes about a month to play out. 2 days takes about a week to play out, So it's not going to happen all in one day, but this is looking beautiful. We do get beautiful shoot ups in one day of action. So you got to keep your eyes peeled for this, because you never know when we're going to break above that 200 and start flying again. And I think it's going to happen soon. That 2-day MJ looks beautiful. Almost perfect, honestly, but beautiful. It's going to eat through the MACD soon. That green dot has been holding strong for a while here on the day chart since the 24th of June. So it's been holding strong for 4 days. It hasn't been able to reverse down to a red dot, which I was afraid of, but we're going to continue this bullish action. We're not slipping, a tripping, or falling. And like I said before in my last video, this was good, a good look. The 200-day EMA supported us and bounced us back up. So if we're doing that, then that's good for the bulls. So smaller time frames, 4 hours. Huge momentum wave still printing upward, which could cause that break of this resistance line. Yeah, everything's setting up. Now we got the first red dot on the hour. That's a shorter term chart, but we need to go down in order to pop again. And what's going to happen here is with everybody that's been in this channel for a while, what's going to happen. They know what's going to happen. To break that resistance line, we need a Kobe. A Kobe is a green dot that we explain in Chart Champions that has VWAP power in order to continue your upward trend. So this right here on the 0 line, the green dot on the 0 line, we call that an MJ with the VWAP power, which is the yellow wave right here. Now, when we go down a little bit, but we didn't quite go down to the 0 line, it's right this, like this right here. This would be a Kobe. This is, so we got the red dot. We went down, 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 down. Kobe, boop. You saw how much it jumped. So this was a MJ. That's why it's a bigger jump. You see that? That's why, I mean, MJ is better than Kobe in my eyes, guys. I'm sorry. But MJ did a bigger power play. Kobe is the continuation of a power play, pretty much, because the MJ was back here. So that you caught the MJ, you got it, whoop, went there, and then you got a Kobe on next one. So this is what we are expecting. I would buy a Kobe on the 30-minute chart. That Kobe price might even go down to the 34 or lower, that you might get an MJ green dot on this. So this is not financial advice. This is financial entertainment. But like Kramer yells out on his TV show, buy, 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 buy. That's what I want to yell out for Tilray. Buy, 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 buy. Do your own research. Thank me later. Bye-bye.